Bugs, defects, and technical debt are not the same. So please stop using these interchangeably or stop mixing everything up. In this very quick video, I'm going to be breaking the differences down for your understanding. Bugs. I would like you to see bug as the very reason why developers do not like QAs very much. Always think about that and then you will know it's a bug. A bug is when a code has been developed, sent to the QAs for testing, and the QAs realize it's malfunctioning. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. It's still in the development environment, and now it's sent back to developers to fix whatever the issue is. Developers usually don't like that very much, and which is the reason why they don't like QAs very much, because QAs usually put them on their toes. A defect is when a code has been developed, it's gone through testing successfully, and it's been shipped into the production environment. While in the production environment, for whatever reason, it stops working as it should. It starts to misbehave. Or in the production environment, they realize it's actually working, but not as the customers would like. So a conversation has been kicked off through the product owner, a ticket has been written, and that malfunction has been sent back to the developers to investigate the issue and rectify it. That right there is a defect. Meanwhile, a technical debt, this one, I have a problem with it. A technical debt is when developers intentionally skip steps or take shortcuts and produce a functionality that is not of the best quality, and it's been shipped into production, and after a while it's now coming back to them to fix it to meet the quality expectation as they should have done so originally. And now they are spending resources, energy, time, and everything to do the rework as they should have done initially. And just like its name, technical debt, that's why it's called technical debt, because now they are paying back for what they should have done initially. They are paying the debt. So that is technical debt. So in a nutshell, see a bug as a code or a malfunction that has been caught while still in the development environment, and it's been pushed back to the developers to fix it. A defect is when it has crossed the development environment past testing and it's been pushed into the production environment, and for some reason there is a malfunction and a ticket has been written, a conversation has been started through the product owner, and it's been put into the product backlog for developers to start investigating what the problem is and fix it. A technical debt is when developers intentionally take shortcuts or skip steps and miss the quality expectations, and now it's coming back to them to fix it or do the rework to meet quality expectations. So that is the difference between these three terminologies. Please follow for more videos like these to enhance your tech knowledge, and most especially follow us on YouTube and LinkedIn as Being Agile Consulting. You can choose to follow me personally on LinkedIn as Karen Fomafung. Hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next.